So, you're thinking about diving into the world of electric vehicle repair? That's awesome! But hold on a second, are you really ready for the high voltage reality? Because let me tell you, it's not just about swapping a tire. Now, before we get started, I have to be upfront. While I've done my best to gather information for this video, I haven't found any specific, super recent data on this topic online. Think of this less as a definitive guide and more as a well-informed conversation about what you need to know before you even think about touching the high-voltage system. We'll be relying on general knowledge and the common-sense approach to electric vehicle mechanics. The first and most crucial thing to understand is safety. We're talking about electricity here, folks, not your garden variety car. High-voltage systems and EVs are serious business. A single mistake can be, well, let's just say it's not pretty. Before you even consider opening the hood, you need to invest in proper safety gear. We're talking insulated gloves, eye protection, and specialized tools designed for high-voltage environments. Think of it like this: would you try to fix a leaky gas line without the right safety precautions? Absolutely not. Same principle applies here, only with a much more immediate and potentially dangerous consequence. Beyond the safety gear, you'll need specialized knowledge. Forget your trusty Haynes manual. You'll need access to the EV manufacturer's service manuals, usually available online, but sometimes requiring a subscription. These manuals are incredibly detailed and critical. They'll guide you through the intricacies of the high-voltage systems, battery packs, and electric motors. These aren't your grandpappy's carburetors. These are sophisticated pieces of technology. Another important aspect is diagnostic tools. Unlike traditional cars, diagnosing problems in an EV requires specialized equipment. You'll likely need a scan tool capable of reading the car's sophisticated computer systems. These tools can identify error codes, monitor voltage levels, and provide valuable insights into the health of the battery and other components. Again, this is way beyond what you'd need for a gas-powered car. We're entering a new realm of diagnostics. Now, let's talk about the actual repairs. Some repairs, like replacing a broken headlight or changing a tire, are relatively straightforward and similar to a gasoline car. But when it comes to anything involving the high-voltage system, the battery, the motor, the power electronics, that's where things get tricky. Working on these components requires a deep understanding of electrical circuits, high-voltage safety protocols, and potentially specialized training. You might be thinking, hey, I'm a pretty handy guy/gal, I can handle it. And you might be right for simple tasks, but I urge caution. Improperly working on the high-voltage system can not only damage the vehicle but also seriously injure you. The risks are substantial. This isn't a project for a weekend warrior. It requires dedicated knowledge and experience. This brings us to the importance of training. While many online resources exist, nothing can replace proper hands-on training from qualified technicians. Consider looking for certified EV repair courses or apprenticeships. The investment in your knowledge and safety is worth it, trust me. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the battery. EV batteries are expensive. Replacing one can cost thousands of dollars. Before you even attempt a battery repair, seriously consider the cost-benefit analysis. Is it cheaper to replace the battery than to try and fix it yourself? Often, the answer is a resounding yes. Unless you're a highly skilled technician with access to specialized tools and equipment, the risks often outweigh the rewards. So, what have we learned today? Electric vehicle repair is a complex field demanding specialized knowledge, safety precautions, and dedicated training. It's not a project to take lightly. While some basic maintenance might be DIY-friendly, venturing into high-voltage systems is something best left to professionals unless you're exceptionally well prepared. Now, before you go, I want to ask you a favor. If you found even one useful nugget of information in this video, or if you had a chuckle along the way, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, are you still ready to tackle that EV repair? Maybe, just maybe, you'll think twice after hearing all this. But remember, knowledge is power, and even if you don't personally repair your AV, understanding the complexities involved will help you make informed decisions about its maintenance and care. Stay safe out there, and happy wrenching, but maybe not with high voltage systems unless you know what you're doing.